Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take you on a tour of the top 5 street shopping places in Chennai. Chennai is a bustling city in the south of India, known for its rich culture, food, and shopping. Whether you are a local or a tourist, these places are a must-visit for anyone who loves shopping. So, let's get started. Number 5. Ritchie Street, Chintagiripet, Chennai. Ritchie Street is the electronic hub of the city. It's the second largest electronics grey market in the country, started in 1970, stocking a whole range of electronics at dirt cheap prices. From laptops, mobile phones, cameras, to other gadgets, you can find everything here at reasonable prices. The market is a bit cramped, but it's worth it for the great deals you can get on electronics. Number 4. Burma Bazaar, Chennai. Burma Bazaar is located near Central Railway Station. This market is full of international products that are pretty affordable and beautiful. Because of the vibe here, you can enjoy the environment and shop in this place. You will find all the imported articles at reasonable prices in this market. It is the best place for buying electronics, dolls, DVDs, handsets, music players, television sets, and more. If you are in Chennai and want to buy some imported goods, this is the place you go. Number 3. Purasawalkam, Chennai. This market is popular for alternative clothing stores specializing in saris and other women's attire, handicrafts and decor. The shopping complexes, shopping malls, grounds, etc. could easily be located in this market. You will find designer boutiques with premium quality fabrics in their shops. You will find this market filled with various kinds of people, making this place lively and vibrant. This market also has cafes and restaurants where you may spend time with your loved ones. Number 2. Sowcarpet, Mint Street, Chennai. Sowcarpet, one of the oldest shopping areas in Chennai. Sowcarpet is famous for its wholesale markets, where you can buy clothes, jewelry, accessories, and much more at affordable prices. The market is bustling with activity, and the vendors are friendly and welcoming. You will get custom-made clothes with a touch of tradition, and that is mind-blowing. This market is famous for lehengas, churidars, cholis, and other dresses native to North India. Number 1. T.Nagar, Chennai. T.Nagar or Tyagarayannagar is now one of the largest shopping markets in Chennai. Pondy Bazaar Market in T.Nagar is a unique shopping destination. Located in the heart of the city, Pondy Bazaar is one of the most popular shopping destinations in Chennai. Pondy Bazaar is home to over 1,000 shops that sell everything from clothes, shoes, accessories, electronics, and much more. Ranganathan Street in T.Nagar is famous for its silk saris, jewelry, and other traditional wear. This street is a well-known area in Chennai for shopping and having fun. This area is stunning, with fantastic businesses from large and small retailers. So, if you're looking for a market to visit in Chennai, this is the place to go. We hope this video helps you plan your next shopping trip in Chennai. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.